That's a whole thing.
You.
Okay. Just the problem.
You. You're my home.
Okay.
Hi, my name is Willy. I'm in my early 30s. I'm in an advisory role.
My name is Bibi. I'm also in my early 30s and I'm in the banking industry.
This is a 3-bedroom condo located in Dakota. The theme of our place is modern.
Our project actually is designed by Desiree and Endel from Studio MyGo, and our project itself is actually handled by Max. So basically, we don't really have any themes or design in mind when we actually have the house. We just want a nude tone, a warmer tone, and we want the house to be like spacious. So we told Desiree to have some innovative idea. So she actually came up with the TV console in the middle of the living room, which is quite unusual because usually the TV console is actually tilted towards the left side for all the units in the project itself. So she also provides us with how to expand the place, like to hack off some of the walls and all. So I would say that most of the ideas came from her, basically on our requirements.
So the idea that Desiree gave us was to work on a lot of the curves. So if you look around the house, the moment you enter, you're greeted by this curved wall, and you have the arc over here. It was also designed by her. On the ceiling, we also have a curve that looks like a wave. So I think it's a very soothing and very comfortable feeling when it comes in. And also because we have kids, so the curves will actually prevent them from hitting all the edges and all. Yeah. So I thought it was very well done.
The time frame that was given to us is about 4 months, 4 months or 4 months plus. Max did tell us that there might be some delays, but he will try to rush it within the time frame. So we actually got the whole renovation done within our time frame, and the cost is about 100,000 around there. For people who are looking for house renovation, I would advise that you actually talk to different firms and then maybe have a different feel with all the ideas and the ideas that they give you, and then you can go with the one that you're more comfortable with, or you think that it's like more in sync, or like can give you more ideas according to what you want. I think that's very important because you will be liaising with them most of the time. That's a whole thing.
You.
Just the problem.
You. You're my home.
I think it's very important when you come home from a long day of work, then you feel like peaceful and a calm feeling when you come back. You can wind down and you can relax, can get rid of the stress. So I think that is what a home means to me.
What a home means to me, because work takes up a lot of our time, and also I think it's very important to come home to somewhere that's comfortable. And you can actually really spend quality time at home, because this is where we spend most of our time apart from the workplace. So comfortable and happy, and you must feel happy when you come home. That's the most important thing.